Hi everybody, I'm Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know the difference between Buried Rocks and Dominic Q chickens? The Buried Rocks and Dominic Qs are the two popular heritage chicken of America. At first glance they appear strikingly similar, but they are actually different. To get a clear idea of the difference, read this Animal Sick article. Did you know the Dominic Q is America's oldest chicken breed? The Buried Rocks, a type of plymouth rock, was developed from the Dominic Qs in the 1870s. The Buried Rocks is the buried variety of the popular Plymouth Rock chicken. It was developed in the New England in the early 1800s by crossing single comb Dominic Qs and black Javas. According to some, Buried Rocks were developed using process of Dominic Qs, black Javas, Cochins and perhaps Malays and Dorkings. The Buried Rocks became an official breed in the United States in 1865. It was first exhibited as a breed in 1869. The first Plymouths were buried. Other varieties were developed later. The Buried Rocks has spared to every part of the US and also to various other countries. It is raised for both meat and eggs. Buried Rock with a single comb. The Dominic Q is the oldest American dual-purpose breed. Reliable data of its origins is not available. The Dominic Q chicken was very common in American farmyard during the 1820s and 1830s. In 1871, the New York Poultry Society decided that only the rose-combed Dominic Q would become the standard of the breed. It was admitted to the American Poultry Association (APA) standard of perfection in 1874. It is only recognized in the cuckoo pattern. Old farmers may refer to Dominic Q chickens as Dominicker chickens. Dominic Q chicken with a rose comb. Both these breeds are known for their gentle temperament and decent productivity. They exhibit a calm and nurturing personality. They both make wonderful show birds and family pets. However, Dominic Q rooster can sometimes become aggressive. There have been incidents wherein Dominic Qs have killed some cats, minks and snakes. Buried Rocks versus Dominic Q chicken. Heavier Buried Rock, lighter Dominic Q chicken. Comb, Buried Rocks possess a single comb, and Dominic Q possess a rose comb. Color, Buried Rocks exhibited sharply contrasting parallel black and white bars. The Buried Rocks roosters are slightly lighter in color than the hens, as the males carry 2 chromosomes for the bearing and the females have only 1. Dominic Q bearing is not as sharp as that of a Buried Rock. The bars are somewhat staggered and not parallel like that of the Buried Rocks. A male is much lighter in color than the female. Plumage. The width of the dark and light bars is also same. They are placed in parallel rows. Both males and females have straight uniform bars. According to the breed standard of the Buried Rocks, acceptable plumage variation are white, blue, Columbian, silver, penciled and black. Next, Dominic Qs. A slight V pattern is seen in the bearing of the feathers. Staggered bearing their plumage result in what is described as molted appearance. The light bars are silverly white while the dark bars are not black but dove grey. Moreover, the light bars on the Dominic Q male are twice as wide that of a female. So, a male is much lighter in color than the female. The Dominic Q does not have any other acceptable variation in plumage. Tail. The tail is quite short. In Dominic H, the tail is long and flowing. The tail of the cock is carried at 45 degrees from the horizontal. The buried weight, the Buried Plymouth Rock is heavier than the Dominic Q. The standard weights are cock 7.5 to 9.5 lb, 3.4 to 4.3 kg, hen 6.6 to 7.5 lb, 3 to 3.4 kg, cockerel 8 lb, 3.6 kg and pullet 5 to 6 lb, 2.3 to 2.7 kg. And in Dominic Q, the standard weights are cock 7 lb, 3.17 kg, hen 5 lb, 2.27 kg, cockerel 6 lb, 2.72 kg and pullet 4 lb, 1.81 kg. Appearance. It has a relatively deeper body and lower tail carriage, and in Dominic Q they carry their heads high up on well arched necks. The males have almost U-shaped back outline. The females have sloping back outline sloping from the head to tail. The carriage of the Dominic Q is more upright than that of the Buried Rocks. Egg production. The Buried Rocks produce more eggs, about 4 per week, than the Dominic Q. The light brown eggs are larger than the eggs laid by Dominic Q. And the Dominic Q has a medium production rate, about 3 per week. The eggs are light brown. They may be large or medium size. Next, meat. Period rocks are heavier than the Dominique. They may have a few ounces more meat than the Dominiques. And the Dominique is also a good producer of meat and eggs. Many times it is difficult to differentiate between a Period rocks and a Dominique, especially if they are from a commercial hatchery, as both may exhibit a dark cuckoo pattern on the feathers. The Dominique was quite popular in the 1830s, however its popularity declined soon after the Plymouth Rock beard was developed. By 1950, Dominiques were so rare that they were considered nearly extinction. By 1970, only 4 known flocks were left. At that time, Dominiques were allotted the status critical by the American Livestock Breed Conservancy. Through the effort of the dedicated individuals, the Dominiques steadily rose in number until 2006. In 2007, their numbers were again found declining. They are now listed on the watch list, that is, the danger of their extinction is less.